Oh,
there we go.
All right, and off we go on the Hersheypark Monorail. You don't need to see my
Hello, and welcome to the Hersheypark Monorail. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. For your safety, we ask that you remain seated, keep your head and hands inside the car during the entire ride, and refrain from smoking.
We're not getting any closer.
Today we will travel 10 miles an hour, offering you panoramic views of Hershey Park.
Panoramic. Yeah, we're going real fast.
To your right, you'll see some of our thrilling coasters in the Holo, including our oldest running coaster in Milton. The Holo is also home to the first We are now entering Kissing Tower Hill, perched atop the highest point in Hershey Park. Here you will find Hershey Triple Tower, the first Choose Your Thrill Triple Tower in the United States. However, the focal point of this area is the 330-foot Kissing Tower. The cabin windows are shaped like our world-renowned Hershey's Kisses, first manufactured here in 1907. The place known for fun and chocolate is now even sweeter. Visit Hershey's Chocolate Town to experience our biggest coaster ever, Candy-monium, and discover our dining experiences, featuring unique Hershey's chocolate creations.
guy in the car. Oh, we got a second wave. Over to the left, you got a wave.
Speaking of Hershey's products, explore the many wonders of chocolate at Hershey's Chocolate World, featuring the free Hershey's Chocolate Tour Ride and create your own candy bar attraction. Afterward, shop at Hershey's largest candy store for one-of-a-kind gifts and souvenirs.
Really, they used to make chocolate there. Yeah, this used to be the plant.
It's not only the chocolate and roller coasters that
Wow,
make
look at the
Hershey's
York
unique.
and Kit
Hershey
Kat
Park
and
supports
Reese's.
Milton Hershey School in its mission of helping students
That's pretty
lead
cool.
fulfilling and productive lives, just as Mr. Hershey intended. Learn more at nhskids.org.
Say hi, Hershey Company. Here we go. Now we're coming to the zoo.
We are now passing the site of the original Hershey's Chocolate Factory, started by our founder Milton Hershey in 1905. Today, the Hershey Company is the leading North American manufacturer of quality chocolate and non-chocolate confections. Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. Zoo America is committed to the conservation of North American wildlife and habitats. Visit with one of our zoo educators to learn more about the variety of conservation initiatives we have established and implemented to ensure species survival at all times. Entry is included in your one price admission. Enter through the bridge connecting Hershey Park and Zoo America.
Any fish?
We are now entering Pioneer Frontier. Ahead, you will see Trailblazer and Dry Gull Trail Road, 2 rides perfect for the whole family to enjoy. Whether it's a relaxing time on classic family rides or an exciting day of coasters and thrills, Hershey Park truly has something for everyone.
There I see some. Charlie. Wait, I don't think she can see, and I'm not letting her any closer.
Oh, there's the snow now. Oh, I got away from a little girl. I don't know if you can see that girl. Way down there.
Oh, it's not. Imagine if it was going over at the same time.
DJ, what's your favorite part of the monorail?
Is that fun? I don't know, maybe. Yeah, no. Seeing like Hershey company and stuff.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. We're going to the parking lot. That gets some waves right here. I feel like any waves. They being playback. You got any waves down there? Alright, we're pulling back into the station. Our round trip loop on the Hersheypark Monorail has
Please
concluded.
remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then exit towards the rear of the platform. Thank you.